Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Oracle Cloud for enterprise infrastructure setup step by step clearly. To register with Oracle Cloud for enterprise infrastructure setup, start by visiting the Oracle Cloud website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the home page. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address, name, and password. Ensure your password meets the specified security criteria. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Read and accept Oracle's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will verify your email address and redirect you to the Oracle Cloud Console. Once there, log in using your newly created account credentials. You may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Once logged in, you will see the Oracle Cloud dashboard. To set up your enterprise infrastructure, locate the Create a Service option. Choose the type of infrastructure service you wish to deploy, such as compute, storage, or networking. Follow the guided prompts to configure your service settings. Input your payment information when prompted, as Oracle Cloud often requires billing details. Review your selections and confirm the setup. After a successful setup, you'll receive a confirmation message. Access your new infrastructure services through the Oracle Cloud Console. You are now ready to start utilizing Oracle Cloud for your enterprise infrastructure needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.